Kamusta guys? Simula. Na naman ang ating journey para maabot ang glory. Sa mga bago, ako nga pala si Daiki, ang Dark System na tanker.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield.
Samahan niyo
Smash
ako at tuturuan ko kayo maging
them.
good
All
tanker.
troops deployed.
As usual, sasamahan niyo 4 para di ma-invade. Naglabas na naman ng meta ang random Zilong roam.
Solo kill!
Bilang tanker, wag puro gold lane lang, umikot ka din.
Request backup!
Sayang patay na sana kaso walang mapa yung mid lane. Dito din ako nag-isip rekta kill na agad.
Slain an enemy!
Matakaw sa kill yung Karina pinasok. Kahit may tore
An
eh.
enemy has been slain!
Dito tamang vision lang ako para mag-gap yung jungler ng kalaban. Dito pumitas Lucian pang trade pero nirekta na namin eh.
Double kill!
Mahalaga pumitas muna para lamang kayo sa clash. Vision at zone ang need ng jungler nyo pag nag-dotto objectives.
Ally has been slain.
Huwag ka na tumulong at harangin mo ang kalaban pag susubukan nilang sumilip.
Turtle, request backup. Request backup. Launch attack.
Dito nag-signal ako na kunin namin red. Tamang tago lang ako dito para di makaporma Gusyon.
Our turret has been destroyed. Request backup.
Hey, not bad.
Di ko alam na may nakaabang pala sa amin.
Enemy double kill. Ally has been slain. Enemy double kill. Been destroyed. Enemy double kill. An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Attack the turtle. Turtle Slayer. Brilliant.
Lakas ng Sora na baliktad pa.
Ally has been slain. Superb control. Enemy double kill.
Dito pasuko ng mga kakampi dahil gap na kami, tas makukuha pa nila Lord.
Lord.
Bilang tank user, kailangan hanapan mo ng dot timing yung pagsaset para manalo kayo. Dito tamang vision lang ako. Nag-aantay magka-error yung kalaban.
Request backup.
Dito nagpakita Mia kaya bibigyan na bot namin para lamang sa flash. Sa gantong situation, dapat pumitas kayo. Di need ng 3-5-man set dito.
Killing spree.
Superb tanking.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crowd, I'll go get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, hear them scream. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I'll get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today, for a minute. I don't stay, I just use it, have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me, to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me